If you're using one of these to make videos for social media, there's a fairly big chance they're going to look an awful lot better than they sound. And visuals are important. About 85% of people who browse social media are on mute. But what about if one of those people thought you looked so awesome, they wanted to have a listen, and what they heard wasn't great? Bit of a letdown, isn't it? Now, if you're using social media to promote your business, what people see and hear is a representation of you. So if what they see and hear is pants, they're going to assume that what you're selling is a bit pants. Unless, of course, you are actually selling pants. So how do you make a smartphone video that sounds as good as it looks? Now, these days, it's pretty easy to make a great looking video on social media with one of these because the cameras on these things are awesome. Unfortunately, the microphones on these are terrible. In fact, let me demonstrate just how terrible they are. Now, when it comes to using the microphone that's on your phone, proximity is your friend. You've got to remember these things are used for sending voice messages or making telephone calls. Do you remember those? So if you're using your phone on a tripod, or maybe you're filming someone else, then the microphone's going to be that much further away from the person speaking, and it's going to start to struggle. In fact, I can put my phone down and I don't have to walk that far away. You're not going to be able to hear me anymore. So how do you fix that? With one of these. When you've got a microphone close to you, you can get as far away as you like from the camera, and the microphone's going to come with you. So now I can stand all the way back here, and you can hear exactly what I'm saying. Can we go somewhere nice now, please? So right now, you're listening to me on a MOVO WMX-2 microphone, and full disclosure, they sent me this to try out, but I've been using MOVO's gear for a while now and love it, so there was a fairly big chance I was going to love this too. So I've got a microphone attached to my personage, a little cable takes it to a transmitter, and then at the other end, I've got a receiver plugged into my camera, or you can plug it into a smartphone. Whole thing's rechargeable, comes in a lovely little box with your transmitters and receivers inside, and just connects via a USB so you can charge it all up. And I'm filming a load of interviews right now for a documentary I'm producing, and this MOVO mic is absolutely perfect for that kind of stuff. And what's even better is this is a 2-mic setup. So I can have a chat with my twin brother here, and we can both connect to the camera or the phone at the same time, one in the left channel and one in the right channel. Yep, you get a good looking cool one on this side, and then you get the grumpy smelly one on that side. Bottom line is, you get to make higher quality, more creative videos that are much more likely to get you noticed. Stop doing that. If you're trying to stand out on social media these days, you've got to start making videos that look and sound great. Don't forget these things are a representation of you. So it pays to spend a little bit of money on some decent kit to support your smartphone and understand how to make these things properly. Then you can start making videos that show off whatever you're trying to sell and make it look as attractive as possible. So there's a couple of links coming up which I think will help you. And thanks ever so much to MOVO for sending me this. All the details are in the description below. And don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, comment, all that stuff if you found this useful. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.